Hello everyone, this is Paulina from Pencil and welcome to today's tutorial on participant management. At the top right corner, you can access a participants list to see every person who is in your session. Here you can also access different controls as a host. For example, I can turn off Ben's video or request to turn on Ben's microphone or video. I can also access bulk controls at the top of this list, where I can mute everyone in my session, or I can click the three dots to request that they unmute, turn off everyone's video, or request that they all turn on their video. We will also be working on adding additional permissions to this list, so feel free to send any of your suggestions to us. In addition to the controls, you can also access a permissions tab at the top bar over here. Here you have the ability to completely enable or disable permissions for your participants. So you can easily disable their permission to turn on their microphone, turn on their camera, or screen share. So right now I've disabled all of these permissions and I can save these changes. As you can see, everyone's video has turned off and they won't be able to enable it even if they tried. If I want to re-enable these permissions, I can simply update these changes. Then I can go back into my controls and request that Marla turns on her video again. That's it for participant management in Pencil Spaces. We hope that you enjoyed this video and we thank you for watching.